In a wrongful death case here in New York, does the defense have a legal right to ask the surviving spouse how much money they paid in rent each and every month? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The answer is yes. The defense does have a legal right to ask the surviving spouse during the course of pretrial testimony how much they paid in rent each and every month. You want to know why? Because one of the claims that is made in the course of a wrongful death case is, what was the financial loss to the family as a result of this person's death? So now here I am in Great Neck getting all bitten up, sharing this great information with you. And the real question is, how much money did the family lose as a result of this person's death? And one of the ways the defense will obtain this information is to learn what type of expenses this person had each and every month. What was the mortgage? How much was the car payments? How much did they pay in rent each and every month? Because now that they're no longer alive to provide support, to pay those expenses, now the surviving spouse has to try and figure out a way to do that. And now the defense needs to know exactly how much that money is in order to determine how much they may be legally obligated to pay if a jury ultimately determines that they were careless and they caused this person's harm, they caused this person's death. So that's why it's critical for the defense to ask these specific questions about the expenses that the person who died had and how much money they were paying in rent each and every month. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these wrongful death cases here in New York. You know, I recognize and I acknowledge that you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need answers, what I invite you to do before I get all bitten up is to pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, I do this every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, @oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.